Hello, it's James again. Now, we just finished part 2 of the snapper series, and we've run into a little issue here, and I wanted to show what my secret tool is for removing that pulley there. Some people recommend all kinds of things, like beating it with a hammer, possibly welding something to it. But when I was a kid, I was taught to just use what you have at the house. So doing brakes and things, most people would have a C-clamp. That's what I have. So I got to looking in the garage here, and I'm got little piles of lawnmower, things everywhere, and I was like, how are we going to do this job? So this one's not guaranteed or anything. I've switched over all the stuff, the carburetor and the adjustments. This is a 12.5 horse, same as that. It's just for the snapper. I'm just switching engines, switching the pulley over is the last thing, and then I can start bolting the engine up. I'll replace the oil, and that'll be part 3, and then you'll get to see the snapper actually run and drive and cut. That's the goal. In the meantime, we're here to learn how to get this pulley off. In the meantime, I took out, there was a couple little, looks like set screws with Torx, and I pretty much just removed those and put a little socket. I put a socket on the end of there and just kind of, broke it loose. So that was kind of easy for me. Usually they make things pretty tough to get done. So here's the C-clamp. I grabbed a bolt because sometimes it's nice to have a bolt to work with. And we'll kind of just see if we can get this angled the right way. This is just a Hyper Tough from my Walmart. It's a, kind of new, but kind of beat up too. Probably did a brake job or two with it. But I've learned that C-clamps can really help out in these situations. So we'll try to get this. It's a little crooked, but we'll take our chances. As long as it gets a good bite on that pulley there. If we can get a good bite, let me check out another bolt here. Something that has a little bit of play in it, just to help me out a little bit. There we go. Thought it started moving. And just kind of work with this for a second. It's not the easiest. That pulley's moving now. There we go. We'll give it another try here. I saw it moving. So we can try to get another bite on there. We didn't even use any lube on this one. We just kind of trial and error. You can see the pulley moving already. So now it's, there she is. Here's the pulley. We didn't make any promises. There's the key, but we were able to get it. And right at the end, the little foot fell off. There we go. There it is. Broke the tool. Might actually work better. Anyway, we got the pulley off. We're ready to put on the other engine. You've been watching Big Country Tractors with James. Thanks for watching. If you like what you're watching, please subscribe. Anyway, until next time, thanks.